Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add smooth scrolling to your Framer website. This feature creates a more polished, professional feel by making your page transitions buttery smooth instead of jumpy, giving your visitors a much better browsing experience. First, you'll need to head over to framer.university in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top of the page where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on Resources. This section is packed with useful components and tools that can enhance your Framer projects significantly. Now, in the resources section, use the search bar to look for smooth scroll in Framer. Type that in and you should see the smooth scroll component appear in the results. This component is specifically designed to handle all the technical aspects of creating that seamless scrolling effect without you having to write any code yourself. Once you've located the smooth scroll component, look at the top of the component page and click on Copy Component. This action copies the entire component to your clipboard, making it ready to be imported directly into your Framer project. It's a quick and efficient way to add pre-built functionality to your site. Next, switch over to your Framer project or website. If you don't already have it open, go ahead and open the project where you want to add smooth scrolling on the left side of your Framer workspace. You'll see various device options. Click on Desktop to ensure you're working in the desktop view. This makes it easier to see and position the component properly. Now comes the simple part. Press Ctrl and V on your keyboard to paste the component you just copied. You should see the smooth scroll component appear in your project. It might not be in the perfect position yet, but that's what we'll fix in the next step. Drag the smooth scroll component all the way to the top of your page structure. Positioning it at the top is important because it needs to wrap around or control the scrolling behavior of your entire page. Make sure it's properly placed so it affects all the content below it. To see the smooth scrolling in action, click the preview icon at the top of your Framer workspace. This will open a live preview of your website where you can test how the scrolling feels. Try scrolling up and down to notice the difference. The movement should feel much smoother and more controlled compared to the default scrolling behavior. And that's it. You've successfully added smooth scrolling to your Framer website, creating a more engaging and professional user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.